So we're here at NABA 2009. I'm quite hoarse, which I apologize for. It's very loud and busy here in the AJA booth. My name is John Thorne. I'm the product manager at AJA Video Systems. So we have a new product that people are pretty excited about called the Key Pro. The unit is a digital disc recorder that records to either 2.5-inch serial ATA form factor or to Express Card 34, which is found on a MacBook Pro, for example. So the idea behind the device is that essentially we wanted to take all the existing cameras on the market and provide them a way to ingest directly on a device that could be mounted to a camera to Apple ProRes 422 QuickTimes, which then when you wanted to, you could remove this media, put it on your edit system, mount it as an OS X type drive, and just immediately be able to edit. No transcoding, no log and capture, no log and transfer. Totally transparent post-production workflow from lens to post. So on the front of the unit, we have a very intuitive UI. You'll notice we have VU meters here that are bouncing. That's because we're taking audio from the unit into the device. We have a number of VTR-like buttons. And we also have the ability, these little pushes for our headphone jacks and whatnot, soft touch knobs that are pushed in so that you can't accidentally screw up your audio levels, for example. There's a power key. You'll notice if I push on it, it doesn't power the unit off. You have to hold and push. That's a safety feature so you don't accidentally turn the device off if you're moving the camera around. These are just push to eject units. This is actually a clutch release. You'd hit the slot button, and then you just simply go like this. Now you have your media. Again, it's SATA connection to the host, and then it's actually FireWire 800 to get to your computer. So that means you can hook it up to a MacBook Pro or a Mac Pro very easily. So if we look at the other side of the unit, notice that we have a wide range of connectivity here. We wanted to really be able to support every kind of camera on the market. So we have analog audio, 2 channels that can be mic, line, or even phantom power, component video in, little composite out jack, SDI of course for latest gen stuff, and even HDMI. So you'll notice on the booth there's a wide range of cameras. Canon HV30 is just a little prosumer camera, all the way up to this fully tricked out Sony EX1. So basically, the other items we have are LTC in and out, so we can emulate the code coming from the camera, or we can get it from embedded timecode if the camera has it. You'll notice that we have a LAN jack, so if you hook into Ethernet, you can actually control the device from, say, a laptop and any kind of web browser, whether it's Safari, Firefox, whatever you choose. And then you'll notice there's a little Wi-Fi light lit up on this. Now, you have a web browser, and I could simply arm the device from the UI. And the UI is just a simple play, record. You can select clips. Again, this isn't an iPhone app. This is a web app dropped onto the phone's homepage. Very intuitive, easy to use. The advantage is you can be anywhere and arming the device. The final part that I want to explain is that it's actually housed inside of this exoskeleton. If you look at the exoskeleton, it's protecting the physical unit in addition to these little cable tie downs, so you could actually tether through here if you wanted to. Anyone yanks on your cable, it doesn't ruin your connectors. But then this is actually like, think of it as armor. We took it a step further and we added rod brackets on the end of the unit. So you have 15mm rods, which is actually how I'm able to take this material and mount a follow focus to the unit as well as a matte box. So I could put professional accessories on the unit. You notice on the back, there are accessories from Zacuto. These would allow us to mount batteries so that we don't have to run a battery brick. We could run just a little battery. Also, we've got a Bogen Manfrotto little arm that's going up, hooked to a professional grade monitor that's very lightweight, gives us an idea of the picture. So basically we've got a very self-contained type of unit, easy to do our recordings, again in QuickTime, Apple ProRes 422, ready to edit 10-bit quality video.